In this episode, a sleepy town hosts a pancake flipping marathon that somehow sets a surprisingly glamorous world record. Next, a clever parrot learns to imitate a vending machine, turning snack time into a tiny animated comedy. We also uncover a habit where people doodle mustaches on their utensils to spark daily smiles at meals. A rapid-fire carousel of viral facts reveals quirky trivia from space socks to speed-stacking koi fish. All these oddities prove that humor travels faster than myths, and your feed is the perfect playground for the weird.